Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to display date and time on your iPhone home screen. If you like to see the current date and time directly on your iPhone's home screen, you can do it by Apple's built-in clock and calendar widgets. To get started, simply unlock your phone and simply touch and hold on an empty area of the home screen until the app icons begin to jiggle. And select this edit in the top left and select add widget. So over here you can simply select this clock to display the date. Simply tap onto this clock here and select add widget in the bottom. And over here, and to display the current date, you need to return to the widget gallery. So over here, in order to display the current date, you need to choose a calendar widget. So simply select this calendar app here and select add widget in the bottom. And that is it. That's how you can display the date and time on your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.